Now you are looking for a fun activity or craft project to do? Paper mobiles will be a great way to fill your time. If you're ready to build your mobile, here are a few items that you will need: construction paper, tape, scissors, and some string. Now you are ready to begin constructing your mobile. The first thing you want to do is cut out some shapes that are interesting to you: a heart, circle, rhombus, whatever shape you choose. Next, cut a length of string about 1 to 2 feet, so this will be used to hang the shapes for your mobile. Next, lay out your piece of string in a nice straight line. So once you've arranged the shapes in the way that you want, so that they are just right